Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here at Toledo Bend Lake, making another video today. So this video is going to be on a lake test run on restore number 145. It's for Butch. It's a 1957 18 horsepower Evinrude. She is a beaut. Completely restored, completely taken apart, restored on the Missy boat, headed out to the lake. I'm going to take her out on the big water and do a test run here. So if everybody's ready, here we go. All right, here we are out on the water. I got her running. She runs beautiful. 1957 Evinrude 18 horsepower. What a beauty, completely restored. I mean, she pushes my 15-foot telegraph at 21 miles an hour, and then I got to let off of her. She runs great. Let's go ahead and take her for a spin and see how she does. That screams. Idles like a dream. She's in reverse, does good. I get forward. Neutral. Reverse. Neutral. Forward. Shift's great. Idle's great. She's a keeper. This was for Butch, number 145. Butch, just let me know when you're ready to come get her. She's ready. See y'all next video. enjoyed the video, I know I enjoyed making it. If you did enjoy it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I make at least one video every week. And then go ahead and hit the like button and join the T-Mike fraternity. So if you're this first time watching one of my videos, I have over 350 videos of everything you need to know about repair, maintaining, and restoring your vintage outboard motors. I specialize in Johnson & Evinrude's 3 horsepower to 20 horsepower, 1950s, 60s, and 70s. So as I said, I have every video you need to know on how to work on these motors. And if I don't have one, I want you to let me know. Just hit in the comments on one of the videos and tell me what video I need to make, and I'll make it for you. I've also got every part you need to work on these motors. I have an eBay store. You can get to my eBay store by Googling T-Mike Vintage Outboards, or click on the link down below in the description. I have over 2,000 parts in my eBay store. I sell all the hardware. I sell all the kits, spark wires, ignition, magneto components, points, coils, condensers, gear case, seals, everything. I even have some printed, 3D printed plastic handle grips and other parts for you. So I have all the videos and I have all the parts you need. I also now am providing parts manuals. So I have over 150 hard copy parts manuals, 1923 to 1958. So you can get your parts manuals from me too. So this is my passion. My goal was to have every video, every part, and every parts manual that you need. And if I don't have what you need, let me know. You can always call me for technical assistance too. My number is 337-278-5429. Give me a shout out. I love text messaging. I'll try to help you and answer your question. So I enjoy what I do. I hope you're having as much fun as I am working on these motors. And remember, always remember, and never forget, here at T-Mike Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. See you next video.